Hey guys, today we will be using Beright COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test Kit. Now before we proceed, Beright is approved by Malaysia Medical Device Authority, which is the Ministry of Health. Now let us have a look on what is inside the Beright box. You will receive a product manual, a test card and a plastic bag. Now inside the plastic bag, you will receive a disposable plastic bag, alcohol swab, test tube, reagent, a funnel, closed lid. So take in mind that you will have to dispose everything into the provided plastic bag after you have completed your test. Before the test, avoid drinking, eating or brushing your teeth for at least 10 minutes before doing the test. To improve the accuracy of the test, it is best to collect the samples when you have just woke up and before brushing your teeth. To collect the samples, deep cough from your throat for at least a few times to exhume your saliva from inside your throat. Fill the tube with saliva until you have reached the first line on the tube. Once you have filled the tube with sample, mix the sample with the buffer provided. Next, close the tube with the lid provided and press the tube slowly for around 10 to 15 times. Once you have done that, place the tube onto the tube holder provided. Next, open up the test card. Put exactly 2 drops of mixed sample into the test card. Next, set the alarm and wait for 15 minutes. The result will be displayed in 15 minutes. Any results which exceeds 20 minutes is inaccurate.